Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you on a journey to master English? Feeling a little lost or unsure how to make progress? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're talking about 6 habits that consistently set successful language learners apart. These aren't just quick tips. They're fundamental approaches that are going to help you build a solid foundation and achieve your English language goals. Are you guys ready to find out those 6 tips? If so, then let's get into it. Our first tip revolves around patterns, specifically helping you recognize and leverage them to improve your language learning. Think about it. English, like any language, is full of patterns. Grammar rules, common phrases, even pronunciation have an underlying structure. Successful learners become pattern detectives. They actively look for these patterns. Instead of just memorizing words and sentences, they ask, is there a rule here? Do these words often go together? How is this sound usually pronounced? For example, noticing how ed is often added to past tense verbs, or how certain prepositions frequently follow specific verbs. By identifying and recognizing these patterns, you'll begin to learn more efficiently and build a deeper understanding of English. Make it a habit to actively search for the why behind a language. Our second habit connects directly to input intensity. Learning English doesn't mean bombarding yourself with endless information all the time. In fact, successful English learners know the benefits of managing their input intensity. Instead of trying to consume everything at once, watching hours of advanced content, reading articles that you barely understand, focus on comprehensible input. This means engaging with material that is challenging but still understandable for your level. It's about finding that sweet spot where you're learning new things, but you're not being discouraged or feeling overwhelmed. Successful learners choose quality over quantity, and they make sure that they actively process and understand what they're studying at that time for their level. Habit number 3 is all about nurturing confidence in yourself. Learning a new language can be challenging, and it can be very easy to feel frustrated or start to doubt your abilities. However, successful English learners cultivate a strong confidence about themselves. Understand that mistakes are natural and an important part of the learning process. Don't let a fear of making a mistake paralyze you. Instead, view mistakes as an opportunity to learn and improve. They celebrate their progress no matter how small, and they also believe in their ability to achieve English language fluency. Building confidence takes time, but it's important for you to build a persistence and to stay motivated on your English language journey. The fourth habit emphasizes flexibility in your language learning approach. Life happens, and your learning schedule might get disrupted. Successful English learners are flexible in their approach. They don't get discouraged by setbacks. You use that setback as a chance to adapt. This means be open to different study methods. Maybe one day you focus on grammar, another day on listening, and another day might be just for speaking practice. It also means adjusting your goals and expectations as needed. If your usual study time is unavailable, find other ways to engage with English, even if it's just for a few minutes a day. They understand that consistency is key, but maintaining a sense of flexibility is going to allow them to have a sustainable, long-lasting English learning over time. Habit number 5, focus on how to express yourself. And you can do this by speaking at your own pace. When you start speaking English, there might be a temptation for you to rush your words, especially when you become nervous. However, successful English learners make it a habit to speak clearly and at their own pace. Don't worry about trying to sound like a native speaker from day one. Focus on articulating your words clearly and speaking at a comfortable pace that's going to allow you to think and form sentences that are effective. Speaking slowly and deliberately can actually make you sound more confident and easier to understand. It also gives you the time to recall vocabulary and grammar rules. And as you become more fluent, your natural pace will increase. And finally, our sixth habit is going to tie everything together: consistency and patience. Learning a language is a marathon and not a sprint. Successful English learners know the importance of consistency, making English learning a regular part of their routine, and patience, understanding that fluency takes time and effort. And even short, small sessions of learning are much better than long, infrequent ones. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress along the way, and don't give up. Consistency and patience are the key to long-term success in English language learning. So there you have it, guys. 6 powerful habits that are going to get you well on your way to becoming a successful English language learner. Which one of these habits are you going to try to incorporate into your English language journey? If you got some good benefit out of this video, how about sharing it with someone else that you think it will help? And then check out this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you.